Can penguins breathe underwater? Have you ever wondered how penguins manage their breathing while swimming in the ocean? It is a fascinating aspect of their biology that helps them thrive in their marine environment. Penguins cannot breathe underwater because they do not have gills like fish. Instead, they are birds with lungs, which means they need to come to the surface regularly to take in air. Their respiratory system is specially adapted for their aquatic lifestyle. Penguins utilize a two-cycle breathing process. This means that air moves through their lungs and air sacs, maximizing oxygen exchange. This adaptation supports their diving behavior, allowing them to hold their breath while submerged. When penguins dive, they can hold their breath for about 6 minutes or even longer, depending on the species and how deep they go. They rely on oxygen stored in their lungs, blood, and muscles to sustain them during these dives. Penguins have developed unique physiological adaptations that enable them to dive deeply and for extended periods. One interesting fact is that they can control how oxygen is used in their muscles. Sometimes, they restrict blood flow to certain muscles to conserve oxygen for vital organs like the brain and heart. This ability allows them to manage oxygen efficiently while diving. They switch between aerobic respiration, which uses oxygen, and anaerobic respiration, which occurs without oxygen. The latter produces lactic acid as a byproduct. Penguins also have specialized lungs and air sacs that help them deal with pressure changes during deep dives. These air sacs act as reservoirs, compressing air safely as they descend. This adaptation allows them to manage their oxygen stores effectively while underwater. To sum it up, penguins breathe air through their lungs and must surface to inhale oxygen. They do not breathe underwater but have evolved remarkable respiratory and physiological mechanisms to make the most of their time in the water. This allows them to remain submerged for several minutes while hunting for food. Understanding how penguins breathe gives us a glimpse into their incredible adaptations for life in the ocean.